Hello, Beautyistic family. If you're like me, you know the struggle of finding a shampoo that does more than just clean, something that actually repairs and strengthens your hair without weighing it down or leaving any residue. Today, we're looking at a product that promises exactly that. Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It's designed for all hair types and claims to repair, nourish, and leave hair soft with a natural shine. Let's see if it really delivers on those bold promises. First off, Olaplex is well known in the beauty industry for their bond-building technology, which has been a game changer for damaged hair. This shampoo features that signature bond maintenance formula, which targets broken bonds caused by chemical, thermal, and mechanical damage. What's interesting here is that it's fragrance-free, which is great if you're sensitive to scents or prefer a more neutral shampoo experience. The liquid formula feels lightweight and is suitable for adults of all hair types, from fine and straight to thick and curly. When I introduced this shampoo into my routine, I noticed it lathered nicely without stripping my hair of its natural oils. A big plus for anyone who hates that tight, squeaky clean feeling. It rinsed out easily and left my hair feeling softer right away. I used it both in the morning and at night to see how it held up under different styling conditions. Over a few weeks, I observed less breakage and a noticeable improvement in overall hair texture, which is likely thanks to its ability to reinforce weakened bonds. One thing to note is that it doesn't have a strong scent, so if you love your shampoo to double as a mini aromatherapy session, this might feel a little clinical at first. On the flip side, if you're looking for something to deeply hydrate extremely dry hair or add intense moisture, you might want to pair it with a rich conditioner or mask, because the shampoo itself focuses more on strengthening and maintenance than deep nourishment. Also, the 8.5 Fellows bottle is a bit on the smaller side for the price point, which could be a consideration if you have thick or long hair. So here's the lowdown. The texture is smooth and gentle, the formula works to repair and strengthen effectively, and it fits nicely into daily routines without fuss. Packaging is minimal but sturdy, reflecting Olaplex's no-nonsense approach. The shampoo's longevity depends on consistent use. Results aren't instant but build up with time, which aligns with industry standards for bond repair products. Regarding value, Olaplex is positioned in the higher-end market segment, and with this shampoo, you're paying for advanced hair science and proven technology. While it's pricier than drugstore options, the bond-building benefits justify the investment, especially if you've got chemically treated or fragile hair. That said, if your hair needs mainly hydration rather than repair, brands like Pureology or Shea Moisture offer excellent moisturizing shampoos at a slightly lower price. Compared to other bond repair shampoos, Olaplex No. 4 stands out with its patented ingredient and unscented formula, making it ideal for those who want efficacy without added fragrance or fillers. Its performance is consistent with professional salon-quality products, which justifies its premium cost. I haven't personally needed to reach out to Olaplex customer service, but their reputation for responsive and helpful support is well known, which adds confidence in the brand overall. If you're curious about alternatives, look into Briogio's Don't Despair Repair Shampoo or Redken's Extreme line, both of which target damaged hair but offer different scent profiles and price points. For anyone on a budget, these can be good starting points, but for serious bond maintenance, Olaplex remains a standout. Now, if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so other beauty lovers can discover honest insights like this. Your support means the world and helps me keep bringing you real talk about what works and what doesn't. Wrapping up, Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo is a solid choice for anyone looking to strengthen and repair hair without the fuss of heavy fragrances or artificial fillers. It's especially suited to those with chemically treated or fragile hair who want to protect their strands while maintaining softness and shine. If you value advanced hair care backed by science and don't mind investing a bit more, this shampoo delivers on its promises. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried Olaplex No. 4, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.